Okay, good afternoon. My name is Derek Hayes and I'm from KineMatik. And just briefly, I'm involved in the implementation side of our product. So I'm face-to-face with the users on a day-to-day basis. So what I really wanted to talk very quickly about was firstly, who we are, if you don't know already. We're KineMatik and we've really been around in the kind of R&D software space for over 10 years. Our core product initially was the ELN, or lab notebook, but I think over the years we've actually progressed past that, and though it is one of our core products, we do offer another of other modules that you can really leverage off to increase the collaborative aspect to the way you capture information on a day-to-day basis. I think one of the differences with us is that our modules and even our ELN is actually based on existing content management systems, such as OpenText Content Server, as well as the SharePoint solution itself. As you all know, content management systems provide all the aspects that you really need, I think, to capture information. And we, as KineMatik, are really using these to, I suppose, capture and really provide some context to the way they're actually been capturing. So a number of tools or a number of maybe issues or even aspects we've addressed have been things like publishing experiments, capturing intellectual property. We really have a seamless integration to those content management systems. So from a user's perspective, the things they're used to maybe working on, again, using our solution really helps them focus in on how they're capturing their information on a day-to-day basis. So, as I've said, we're not just an ELN provider. Some of the other modules we also offer are some project tools, as well as some quality tools, as well as some resource management tools. So your ELN really is, can be incorporated into that, can really capture all the information from an enterprise perspective. Okay, I think one of the things that a couple of people have asked me about, especially today, has just been really around SharePoint and how is our ELN kind of focused in on that. So we've worked very closely with ChemAxon as well as Microsoft with developing our lab notebook on the SharePoint solution. And what we've really come up with has been really, a compelling and integrated ELN solution that's leveraging off all of the aspects of the ChemAxon toolbox as well as the SharePoint toolbox. And if you come outside after this, I'll definitely take you through a quick demonstration on how that really works and seamlessly integrates all those three components together. For a couple of minutes, we've partnered with ChemAxon over, I suppose, the past 6, 7, 8 years, and you will see again, if I give you a demonstration outside, how tightly we have integrated a number of the ChemAxon toolkits within our actual solution. And a couple of things that I just wanted to point out, one of the things has been as we've been able to incorporate structures, publishing them to PDFs, and really putting the chemical structures as well as the documentation actually in context to the way you're actually capturing your information itself. And we've also incorporated into our search capability on the solution as well. So just to finish, again, I'm outside. If you'd like to visit our website, it'll definitely provide you with more information on our solution and the other features associated to it. Thank you.
Thank you, Derek.